So at the Mental Health Foundation we have partnered up with Thrive London and we're initiating conversations with local communities, and we try to help them celebrate their diversity, celebrate their local assets and strengths, but also focus on what is not going so well and what can be done to change and improve that.
We've picked 7 boroughs in London that have some of the highest levels of deprivation. We've got service users, we've got some people from the voluntary sector, from the local council, public health and the NHS. Everyone's got a different perspective about what the right thing is to be doing around mental health. So really we need to bring all of those together.
Well, one of the things we've learned across history is that the big successes that have been made in health or in public health have never been achieved by one agency working in isolation. I am so excited that we can begin to get key partners together to begin to talk about how we work differently.
One of the issues is that we need some form of directory of services, what's available, what's not working, in order to fill gaps. I think we need to know what is actually out there.
At the moment we are getting involved when it has already affected people. So it's like we are intervening. And I'm happy I could see the senior management. So when they are planning, developing services, that will be targeted or directed to preventative measures.
We are in the pop-up shop in the Clapham Park estate in Lambeth. Today we've been having what's called a community action workshop. We've knocked on the door of 2,500 homes and we've gathered views about what would support them to live healthier and happier lives. We've reported back today to some of the same residents but also the services that support them.
I think even just sitting here realising how many skills and talents are actually on the estate that people may be able to use. I live here, I'd be happy to give up some of my time.
As a fire service, people think we just put fires out. There's actually an awful lot more we can do. Getting involved with groups like this not only informs us more of what the needs of the local residents are, but also for me, as Borough Commander, makes me think, how can I get involved and help them?
We've identified mental health as a real important priority for us, and we've been working on a strategy just over the last year. This is a really important check on that. We can go back and we can listen to some of the things that have been raised around ending discrimination, around how communities can really lead the way in addressing poor mental health and promoting well-being.
If some great ideas come out at a borough level, we can then share them further afield across the different London boroughs as well. It would be amazing also if we get some great examples in London that are spread and shared nationally. If others see our ideas and take them on, then more the better for everybody, I'd say.